Good morning, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana, your math teacher on this side. Today I am bringing two tricks. These two magic tricks will help you in your calculations in a very fast manner, and this will ultimately save your time. I'll request you to please try to understand this. I have made it very simple. अब इन ट्रिक्स में बॉडी गार्ड्स भी आएंगे। मैं करीना के बॉडी गार्ड्स की बात नहीं कर रहा, यहाँ पे भी बॉडी गार्ड्स होंगे। तो आप देखेंगे ये बॉडी गार्ड्स आपके कैलकुलेशन में कितने आसानी से आपको समझा सकते हैं, कितना कैलकुलेशन फास्ट कर देंगे और आपके टाइम सेविंग में बहुत हेल्प करेंगे एंड यू विल बी एबल टू मेक time management in an easy manner, and you will be rather having surplus time in your exams. So I will be coming up with my notes and you will find the bodyguards there. Thank you very much. God bless you. Keep on watching my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Good morning, friends. I am coming up with my notes on two Vedic math tricks, multiplication by 11 and multiplication by 111, that is 111. Now here I come with, first trick is multiplication a number by 11. I'll try to teach you on by giving an example. Supposing you want to multiply 25 with 11. Now write 25 like this. Make an arrow here. Make an arrow at 5. So they are bodyguards. Now इन दोनों बॉडीगार्ड्स को इनको ऐड कर दो. 2 + 5 7. 7 यहाँ लिख दो. Question is done. Calculation is done. Now let us take another example. Supposing in place of 25 it is now 85, and when we will multiply with 11, इनको तो बॉडीगार्ड मान लेना है. 8 is the bodyguard, 5 is the bodyguard. Add it. 8 + 5 is 13. Now write here 3. 1 will be carry. This one we will be adding to 8. It becomes 9. So answer is 935. Now second trick is multiplication by 111. अब देखिए इस ट्रिक का नाम है अकेला दुकेला तिकेला. फिर दुकेला फिर अकेला. So 1 2 3 2 1. So अकेला दुकेला तिकेला. Tikela means 3. You have to take 3 numbers. Now here it is written. Akela, dukela, tikela. Now we have to multiply because these are 3 numbers. इसलिए तिकेला लगाना पड़ रहा है. So firstly write these 2. अकेला. अब 2 ले लीजिए. दुकेला बन गया. 2 and 4. अब 3 ले लीजिए. 2 4 3. ये तिकेला बन गया. फिर दुकेला. अब यहाँ लास्ट से 2 ले लीजिए. 4 and 3. फिर लास्ट वाला 1 ले लीजिए. 3. ये अकेला हो गया. अकेला मीन्स ये आपका 2. दुकेला मीन्स 2 and 4. तिकेला मीन्स 2 4 3. So you have to go up, then you have to go down. फिर आपने क्या करना है. तिकेला हो गया. आप दुकेला ले लीजिए. कौन सा दुकेला लेंगे. ये लास्ट वाला 3 and 4. फिर लास्ट वाला 3 ले लेंगे. So look here. This is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 9. 2 लिख लीजिए, फिर नेक्स्ट वाले को ऐड कर लीजिए, 6 बन गया. फिर नेक्स्ट वाले को ऐड कर लो, 9 बन गया. फिर दुकेला, फिर लास्ट उल्टा चालू करिए, 3 और 4 7. फिर लास्ट में अकेला ले लीजिए, 3. दिस इज 3. क्वेश्चन इज डन. So very easy. So this trick will help you in multiplying with quite ease, and it will save your time. Now there are few questions based on multiplication by 11, and when there is a 2-digit numbers, when there is a 3-digit number, how to go about it. So this is very easy and simple. अब आप देखिए, अगर आपको 2 से ज़्यादा डिजिट्स हों, उनको 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना हो, कैसे करेंगे? ये तो बॉडीगार्ड हैं. बॉडीगार्ड लेफ्ट और राइट दोनों तरफ से होते हैं. ये बॉडीगार्ड हैं. अब वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 1 2 5 3 विद 11. नो, add this. 1 and 2 3, 2 and 5 7, 5 and 3 8. Write the bodyguards. The BG stands for bodyguard. So same way, these are some questions for you. You can try them at your place. These questions are do it yourself, DIY. So this is by 11 when 2 digits are there. This is multiplication by 11 when 3 digits are there. So I hope you might have understood, and if you try it at your place, these questions which I am writing here, I am very sure that you will learn this trick and save your time in your exams, in your all competition exams. This will help you, and you will be manage your time in an efficient manner, and you will be able to come out with flying colors. Thank you very much. God bless you.